Hey everybody! Oh my gosh, first Tuesday of the year. We had so much wind, and I'm hoping our sailors had so much fun. I would call it a perfect day, except it was just a tad bit windy, but it was making me nervous, is what it was doing. I couldn't be more proud of our butterfly sailors because they were definitely overpowered, and they did it. They hiked their bums out. They pulled in that main sheet. They managed to right their boats because there was some tipping over, right? Opties were bailing water out of their boat. Honestly, I think it was a great day. I hope you guys had fun. Hey, keep your ears open for next week. Sailing Tuesdays, 10 o'clock. Actually, even keep this in mind. We're just going to go out on Thursdays at 10 and just kind of do community sailing. If all you want to do is sail around, hang out with the littles, right? That's like the Martins and the Claggets and the Wickstroms, and the Howes and the Brzezinskis and all those different folks. If you just want to hang out with those, sail around, we'll probably pull out some bubbles, maybe some water guns, maybe some water balloons, whatever. Something to just go have a blast. We're probably going to be out at Buoy 5. But anyways, look for that announcement. Come and join the fun. Come and join the community. Let's get out there and sail and just have a great time. So again, look at those pictures that Miss Fraser or Sarah Fraser posted. Miss Fraser, whatever. Sarah. And can't even tell you the crazy wind that people experience. So we all got out safe. I hope talking to folks, had great positive attitudes. And man, what a great day. So hope to see you guys next week. If you need to coordinate getting a butterfly, talk to me, right? I've got a connection with the sailing crew at socials, okay? And I've got extra butterflies. So talk to me. We want to get you out there. Invite folks on the lake, have some sailing experience, and we'll just go out and have a blast, all right? Talk to you soon. Hope to see you out there.